Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all some artificial nails I scored by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in this bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what artificial nails did Glam find in her local Dollar Tree this time. But this time it's going to be a quick haul because most of them are repeat buys. Okay, first ones up out the bag are these right here. I got these right here because they are a neutral nail and it has some white airbrush design on it. This one was a repeat buy. I picked up these right here. These are because it has like a purple ombre that's kind of color going on right there, and I feel purple represents royalty, and it's one of my most fave colors, so no way was I going to leave these behind. Now I also picked up some more of the stiletto nails. It's these right here. I wore these in a previous video. In fact, this video right here is the nails that I have on. I used glue to apply those, so once I took them off I wasn't able to use them again. But I bet you now that I found some more, I will not be using glue, so I got those again. And what I mean by I won't be using glue, meaning I use the adhesive nail tabs, which I have quite a few videos up on my channel already sharing with you all the adhesive nail tab glue that I use to apply my artificial nails, because not only does it helps me to change out my nails, it also makes the artificial nails last that much longer, and it doesn't damage my natural nail bed. Oh, I got these right here. Got some airbrush tip design. That's what's going on with that one. Alright, this design right here caught my eye. Look at this right here. I've seen the actual nail salons doing that kind of nail design with the black outline on it. Girl, when I went up in the nail salon just to inquire, hey, how much for a full set, you know, with the nail design like that, I ain't even gonna tell you what they quoted me. You should have just saw the look on my face. I was like, never mind, I'm glad I just asked. But anyhow, I saw this in there. No way was I going to leave this design behind, and no way was I only going to pick up one pair. I really like that it has the gold, it has the white, it has the pink, and it's fuchsia pink at that. So summertime, super cute, keeping it classy, keeping it sassy and chic. I just had to throw that in there. Sassy and chic. Got that one. Last two I have to share with you. I saw some more of the oil slick nail design. I call it the oil slick color because, you know, like when you spill oil on the ground, like if you have a car and your oil spill, it has that purple, blue, blackish color. That's what this kind of reminds me of, like a blackish rainbow, if you will. But anyhow, I picked this up. I did have a pair of these before. I did wear them. I got several compliments on them, but like I said, at the time when I wore them, I used regular nail glue to apply them, which meant I wasn't able to use them again thereafter. But now that I use the adhesive nail tab glues, never again will I have that problem. So that's why I picked these up. And the last but not least, the very best, I had to say, well, I didn't save it for last, but it happened to be last in the bag, were these. Ah, look at that. You can't go wrong with black and white nails, monochromatic look, and I love these. And what I really love about them is, look at on here how it has the little window design. You see that right there? It has the little window design. Let me, here, go like this. It has the window design on them. OMG, those are so cute. So I'm showing you this one pack, but you already know it's never just one that I'm showing you. That just concluded the video, dolls. This was a super short haul. I just picked up these nails. I saw them in there in my local Dollar Tree. They were stacking them out, and I was like, let me just snatch up a couple of pairs and, you know, show my glam dolls which ones I picked out. So this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.